this is Brian from Snowwalker Outdoors. So we're in a nice little river, upstate New York, and doing a little nest mucking, as I like to call it.